Friends, welcome back to this demolition video of the Elephant Gate Bridge. I will walk you through the demolition process that has already begun, and now we are traveling towards the bridge. Just to recap, that this is a 50-meter length bridge allowing 8 broad gauge tracks to go underneath it, 4 main lane tracks, 2 suburban tracks and 2 tracks dedicated for local traffic between the train care center, Rake Yard and Chennai Central. We are actually traveling under the bridge now, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th track, and then there are 3 more tracks onto our left. So as we are exiting from the bridge, we can see the train care center and the tracks that are used for taking the locos, links to the trains, and also the train care center. That's the bridge, and now be ready to watch the demolition process. Here it is. The demolition is not, they're not going to bomb the bridge and then tear it down. Instead, because of the tracks and the work beneath it, the individual support pillars which forms the banks of the 50-meter length bridge are being lifted off individually. As you can see, using a large crane, which you will see a little later. And once all these things will be removed, the corresponding pillars will be blown out and then taken apart. The power to the overhead tractions have been cut and the tracks have been blocked with red flags, as you will see soon. And now one of the supporting pillars is being lifted completely. Now you can see below the pictures on one of the rightmost tracks. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see 8 gaps. And now from the top view here, a close-up view. The bridge has been blown off, and that's towards Basin Bridge. So the building repair work, demolition work to be completed before 3rd of May. And what is going to come? We are going to have a new bridge which is 150 meters in length. So that means it would allow probably 3 times more tracks than the 50-meter length bridge. So you can have 24 tracks underneath. And there are proposals to shift some of the trains arrival departure to a new terminal building onto the west of the Chennai Central and ahead of the suburban section, which is called the short quarters. And westbound trains like one towards Coimbatore, Bangalore, Ernakulam and Kerala would probably depart from the west terminal. This is a proposal. Nothing yet is confirmed, but once this work is completed and once sanction is done, we can expect a lot more improvement at Chennai Central. So that's going to be the improvement. An empty rack, parcel rack being pushed into the Chennai Central. Now what is happening during the time of the demolition is that all the services, parcel vans which used to originate at Chennai Central would be directed to Chennai Egmore, and once the entire tracks are taken off, then the traffic would be allowed. The new bridge would be a steel bridge, probably of a type of a cantilever with no supporting pillars in between, but supported only at the ends. So that's going to be the thing now. So I hope you like this compilation, and let us wait for the bridge to be completely demolished and the work begins. Jai Hind, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon again with more updates on Chennai Central and other. Thank you and have a great day and a great weekend.